Hello everybody, hope you all are doing well. Well, in today's video I am going to explain about the important strategies which you can use in PTE speaking for your better scores. But before starting this video, let me tell you guys that this video is not for the beginners. The students who are beginners can watch our other videos given below. And this video is for those students who are already doing practice of the PTE. So as you know that the PTE speaking is very important for all other modules in the PTE exam. Because PTE contributes all its scores to other modules like reading and listening also. So let's get started. So the number one is read aloud. Most of the students think that they can answer the read aloud in a very fluent way. They do not stop on the commas and full stops. But they are wrong here. That you have to stop on the certain pauses. Like you should have a small pause on commas and a long pause on the full stops. And moreover, you also have to answer the read aloud in a very correct way. Means the content and pronunciation is also very necessary. You have to speak all the content very correctly. Otherwise, you will not get the desired band scores in your exam. So overall, you have to answer the read aloud in a fluent way and in the correct order with the correct pronunciation of words. So let's move to number two. Number two is repeat sentence. In repeat sentence, most of the students try to cover up all the content. That's the main mistake. You have no need to cover up all the content. You have to speak only half of the sentence, but in a fluent way and in the correct order. By following this strategy, you can definitely get your marks in repeat sentence. Number three is describe image. Describe image is a way by which you can easily increase your scores in the speaking, because you can use the templates for increasing your fluency, and it is very easy to gain all the content in the describe image section. So all you have to do is that reading the content with the help of the template but in a fluent way. You can easily get 13 or 14 points out of 15 in the describe image by this strategy. Let's move to the next, which is retell lecture. So most of the students think that collecting key points in the retell lecture is beneficial or is enough, but no, they are wrong here. Collecting only the key points is not enough. You have to collect the key points and made a story, which is a genuine story in the lecture, which the lecturer was describing. If you can present the idea in a genuine way, then you can gain full scores in retell lecture, and it will impact on your listening module also. But if you are trying to give only key points, it will not beneficial for your listening module. So after that, there are one-word questions. Generally, students took advantage of the one-word question by giving two answers instead of one. They think that PC will give them scores for the right answer, and for this they try to give two answers instead of one. But the reality is that you only have to give one answer instead of two. Giving two answers will not be beneficial for your speaking. So that's all for today. If you want to have detailed information about how to speak read aloud and how to answer the retell lectures and repeat sentences, then you can watch our other videos given below. Thank you so much.